Welcome to the FRDF Motorola Moto G52, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on that device. So first we should go into the settings app and then tap here on the display section, then scroll all the way down to screen recorder section. Now here you can see the resolution. We can switch it from 1080 to 720. So by this way we can change the screen recorder quality on our Motorola device. Also we have the second way how we can launch this screen recorder settings. First, just open the notification panel, and somewhere here on the top bar you should find the screen recorder icon. Just hold for a while this icon and you'll launch the same screen recorder settings, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.